Hi guys! So in this video we'll be going through how to appeal YouTube monetization, how to create appeal video for reused content, how to appeal reused content on YouTube, how to monetize YouTube channel after rejected monetization, how to make appeal video for YouTube reused content, and this method can also be used for repetitive content appeal video. I will show you a demo of the exact video I used to get my monetization after my other channel was rejected for reused content. The appeal was successful in under just 6 hours. I was accepted into the YPP YouTube Partner Program. I've had this experience before, so I have created a full playlist containing the full appeal process for rejected monetization, what is reused content, how to avoid it, and the same for repetitive content. So please check out the playlist after watching this. Also, I've got, from my previous videos, I've got testimonies of how content creators have been able to get their channels backed, been able to get their channels remonetized after being demonetized or after having rejected monetization just by watching my video. Here's a few of the testimonies. So with that being said, I'm pretty sure you're excited to see the demo. But before we start, I just wanted to say to you, I know what it feels like to be rejected for monetization or to be demonetized, because both have happened to my other channels. So I seem to be an expert in this field now. But why not take a negative situation and make it into a positive situation? I'm glad to have had these experiences, so now I can help out you guys. And I would like to say, before you do your appeal video, just treat it as something you really want. I know once you've been rejected, you go through a whole host of emotions, from anger to upset to frustration, but don't let that frustrated anger come out in your appeal video. You want to be on your best behavior. And how do you ask for something you really want in life? You normally say please, and you normally speak calmly and politely. In that way, you are more likely to get the result that you want from YouTube. Speak with a kind and grateful heart. So, with that being said, let's get into the demo. Hi YouTube, my channel URL is https://www.youtube.com/channel/UCVHN3ECAN108LWT09AA, and my channel name is International Royals TV. Thanks for getting back to me so quickly with a result in just 1 day of applying. I really do appreciate your efforts so much. So the reviewer's feedback says reused content. Content is not clearly an original creation of this channel and may have been repurposed from another source without adding significant original commentary, substantive modifications, or educational or entertainment value. My channel is called International Royals TV, and it's about royal families around the world. I do a mixture of long form content, short videos, live streams, and collaborative live streams. I'd like to take you through my creativity process, starting with my channel intro. So for my channel intro that you see at the beginning of most of my videos is unique to my channel. I created the 15-second intro using Adobe Express to create the graphics from scratch. I added images and text to make the animation slides. I then used my voiceover recorder app to record my voice to create a voiceover using the script I made to say the words that are in the intro. I then used my gallery app to compile the slides and make it into a small video clip for the intro. I imported my voiceover into the movie and also added a background track to give it a nice ambience. Here is an example. Welcome to International Royals TV. On this channel you will find great content, both old and new, of royal families around the world, so subscribe so you won't miss out on the next upload. I also use the same technique you have just seen to create my long and short videos too. All of my content has my own original voice on them, and I have made significant changes to the footage of the shorts clips that you see by adding music or text captions to them, and I have thought about creatively the captions that I use. I made them up all on my own, incorporating my witty sense of humour for the entertainment of my viewers. To further engage with my audience, I do live streams, and I've been doing a life history series of different royal family members, which my viewers find educative and fun at the same time. I set the live stream by using my live stream app on my phone, and I read the text and I add my own thoughts and reactions to it as I am reading it. I prepare for my live streams with the handwritten guide for the topics that I choose. For the collaborative live streams, I use the YouTube app, Go Live Together. We have a script of talking points, and we also let the conversation flow naturally. My life history audio series has been beneficial to the audience that are not able to see. They can listen to the audio and enjoy it. That is my creativity process. Thank you so much for watching this video, YouTube, and I hope this will be sufficient. Thank you so much for all you do, and I look forward to being monetized. Please enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you. Bye. You can see how I spoke calmly and politely throughout the presentation, and I thanked YouTube for their time. I think that's something that they liked as well. Show your appreciation for them. And I wish you all the best in yours, and I hope you will be monetized or remonetized, as the case may be. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you for watching this video, and I shall see you on the next one. Please check out our playlist section for more Google AdSense tips, YouTube help, and monetization and demonetization. Yeah. We also have a feature on this channel where you can super thanks, which means giving a small donation to the channel if you found the content useful. All you need to do is click on the hearted thanks button and then choose any amount of your choice. It's very grateful and appreciative of that. Thank you so much.